In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I risked just under $1,000 to make roughly $3,500. I believe it was $3,450, which was $1,725 on both of my Tradeify accounts. It's been a tough March to say the least. I'm glad I could wrap it up with a one and done type of day. This is ultimately what I'm striving for every single day. So it did feel good, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I saw that made me put this trade on. And I'm gonna pull up my live session right now. If you guys wanna watch me trade live, I'm live every morning, right around 8:15 a.m. I'm on Central Time, so that would be 9:15 a.m. if you're on the Eastern Time. My live sessions are unlisted on YouTube because somebody told me they messed up my analytics. So if you want to go back and watch them, you just got to go to my playlist section, click on live sessions, and you'll see every live session that I've ever had in this playlist, which it actually looks like I forgot to add the one from today. So let me just go do that real quick. But before I start this live session, if you guys like these trade recaps, if you appreciate the transparency, please like the video and give my channel a subscribe. And I will keep making videos like this for you guys, because I know that if I had these type of videos when I first started out, it would help me a lot. So some context for today, I was playing off of the level 55.50 down to 55.35. If we broke that area with strong selling, then my goal was to play short, look for short opportunities and get short targeting the 5,500 psych level. And if we were supported in that area, my goal was to play long or look for long opportunities to target the 55.80 area, which was kind of like the pre-market high from today. So that is what I was playing the session. Now I'm gonna skip to right before when I took the trade, and I'm actually gonna play you guys. All right, so this is right before I actually enter the trade. And I'll pause it and give you guys a thesis. So this buying that happened right here was the most significant buying delta on the session. So what I did was I waited for something significant to happen. I viewed this as the most significant thing that has happened in the session. And then I found a good entry point for a possible retracement to happen to. And you can see by looking at the chart volume profile right here, you can see there was very little volume traded in this 50 to 48, 49 area. So ideally, I wanted to see if I could get an entry in here to play long, targeting my target at 55.80 area. I think it was 55.77. So that is what I'm looking for in the moment. I can show you guys. Let me just move myself down here for the time being, because there's nothing important. So you can see I took the position, I market entered into that, and my stop loss was right under 6 points. I think it was at 47. So that would have made it like a 5-point stop almost. And the reason why I sized down and widened my stops was because VIX is absolutely cooking. And this week there's some important stuff coming out. So I figured that the volatility possibly could be pretty crazy, and that's what I learned to do. So you could see I entered at 51.75 and we get a bounce from here. So that was the entry. So just like the same thing as always, that's the entry. I wait for significant volume, and then I get the price, or I get the move lined up into my bookmap view. I find an entry point in a low volume area. And that is what I do every single time. That's the model I'm trading for these accounts. These videos are gonna get repetitive to a certain point, but that's all I do. So that was the entry point. And like I said, my targets were the 55.70 area, but you can see I just took half of my position off, and that was right around 11 points in profit. I just wanted to protect myself. I moved my stop loss to break even, and the rest of the trade, I'm kind of patient with it. And so like I said, for my final target, I was targeting the 55.77 area. And I actually closed the position before we get there because I just wanted to get the profit out. I was only like $70 away from what my max win can be for the Tradeify 20% rule. So I just closed it out right there. You can see clapping it up in the chat. So that was what happened today. So like I said, I'm streaming live every day just before the session opens. If you guys want to come watch me live trade, this is my report card for the day. Followed the rules, traded the high probability setup, entries aligned with my plan, and I had strategic exits. It's a 4 for 4. Today was a perfect trading day. This is the type of day that I strive for in trading. And honestly, I believe that if you trade futures, you should strive for days like this too, where it's just a one and done. You don't gotta be at the charts all day. Like my day was over at like 9 a.m. my time. This trade lasted almost 7 minutes. So like, that's the power of trading. It allows you to do that and then enjoy the rest of your day. But yeah, if you guys want these report cards, hit my Discord. They're in the OFM documents section. If you guys like these videos, once again, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep making more of them. And yeah, I hope you guys had a good day just like me, and I'll catch you in the next video.